Hi, I'm Pradesh. My register number is ULK005. In this video, we are going to see database management systems lab. Experiment number 3. Heading of the experiment is aggregate and built-in function. Here we are going to demonstrate the working of aggregate and built-in function in database. So description is in database management, and aggregate function is a function where the value of multiple rows are grouped together as input on create certain create to perform a single value of more significant meaning or measurement, such as set a bag or a list. So the queries are here is insert the following tables in the given table. So we are going to deposit a table. So this is the table we are going to deposit here. So we have creating one giving depositing one by one, insert into deposit value, the giving like that one by one we are inserting. After that it will be showing select from deposit means it's showing where we have inserted, which have been inserted, it's showing here. After that branch name has been inserting. So here also we have branch value, so the value has been inserted. After that customer table, which has been inserting in customer table, here we are inserting in customer table. After that borrow table, here we are going to borrow the table, we are borrowing one by one value. So after that list to total loan amount taken by a borrower. So this is the total amount taken by a borrower. Find the total deposit done by a depositor. This is the total amount deposited by a depositor. List the total loan taken up from the on the free branch, on the free branch. So this is the loan taken from the on the free branch, and write a query to find the total deposit of customer having an account data later than June. So this is showing here. Find the total deposit of customer living in city Nagpur. Here the 6,000 is showing here. So this is how it will go like this. After that it will calculate the length of the string dbms from the dual. So here it is showing display the name of the customer in uppercase, which are the names which we have created in here is given in uppercase. So here the display the substring nil from Sunil from the deposit table. So it is showing that substring nil from Sunil. So another fix the account number column with 2 in deposit table. So here we are going to give like this. So this is the explanation video for aggregative and built-in function.